GearBrain's Editor's Choice Award for Best of Mobile World Congress, 2025. Realme Ultra Concept, interchangeable lens for smartphones. Realme's Ultra Concept phone features DSLR-like interchangeable lenses with 3x and 10x optical zoom for photography enthusiasts. BleeqUp 4-in-1 Cycling Glasses. BleeqUp's 4-in-1 cycling glasses offer 5-hour recording, heads-up display, AI coaching, navigation, health tracking, dash cam, adaptive tinting, and multiple controls. Nubia Flip 2 5G Smartphone. Nubia Flip 2 5G is a lightweight foldable smartphone with a 6.9-inch AMOLED display, dual cameras, MediaTek Dimensity 7300X chipset, and AI features, starting at $730. Honor Watch 5 Ultra. Excellent battery life, 15 days. The Honor Watch 5 Ultra is a durable smartwatch with a titanium case, sapphire glass, health tracking, a 40-meter diving mode, and a 15-day battery life. It will launch in March 2025 without cellular connectivity. TechnoSpark Slim, the slimmest smartphone ever. TechnoSpark Slim, at 4.9 millimeters, features a 6.78-inch 3D curved AMOLED display, 144 Hz refresh rate, 4,500 nits brightness, long battery life, and 45-watt fast charging. Nothing Phone 3A Pro, best innovative design smartphone with trio camera system. The Nothing Phone 3A Pro offers a transparent design, triple camera system, Snapdragon 8S Gen 2, 6.77-inch AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 26-hour battery life starting at $450. Lenovo Yoga Solar PC Concept, best eco-friendly laptop. Lenovo's Yoga Solar Power Concept PC features solar charging, AI enhancements, and aims for eco-friendly computing, facing challenges in thermal management and durability.